Everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations. And today I just want to show you a little upgrade that'll help you out, and you can even do it yourself. So we wrapped this nice BMW, but we got these taillights here that still look OEM, and I really feel that the red just doesn't go with the car. So we're going to go ahead and tint those, and I'm going to teach you how to do it so that you can tint your own and get an upgrade as well. So we're going to turn this into this, because this really to me, it really to me looks like a big difference. So let's look at it. That or that? Well, if you want that, then watch this video. right, so how do those taillights look? I think they came out amazing. They are so smoked you can't see anything, but when you turn the light on, you can see the red right through. It's great. Really goes with the whole car as well. If these would have been white and clear or white, yellow, clear, it would have threw off the blue and carbon fiber. But look at it now with the smoked. It looks fantastic. So if you want to learn how to do this stuff, upgrade your car, save a lot of money on labor, do everything yourself, and have a custom car that you designed, smash that like button, hit subscribe, follow us on our journey. We did the first car in our shop now, and now we're going to do this Porsche over here, so you can learn how to do this as well. Thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz. We love y'all.